Yo, what is going on? Welcome everyone to another long form! Yeah, so it's gonna be pretty good. And I'm going to be customizing a bunch of water slides. And I'm gonna make a really, really big one that you need to wait till the end of the video to see. But why is everyone booing me? What did I do? Oh my goodness. Sorry, just wait! Anyway, I'm gonna go to smallest and most lame water slides to the biggest water slides. Alright, so first we're gonna need for the lame water slide, which I'll call lame-o, we're gonna have some planks, and then we're gonna add some more planks into it. A bit of goop. Woo! Add some final touches. Boom. Bam. What? Bro. Okay guys, we just got finished with the first water slide, and it's I'm gonna be very honest, it's looking pretty bums. But you know what they say, never judge a book by its cover, so give it a quick kiss. And okay, then you go down the water slide. I'm scared. Oh. Okay guys, but like you said, this water slide is made out of wood, so I could get a big splinter. So, don't try this at home unless if you want a boo-boo. Anyway, let's go. Ooh, 3, 2, 1, oh shit, things. Ah! That was so scary. So sorry about that one. It got mad. Guys, so the next slide I'm going to make is going to be a level 2 slide. And the slide is going to be called the lame slide. This is only level 2. Max side's like level 10. If you're lucky, I'm calling it lame. Lame-o. Anyway, so I'm gonna shut up now, and I'm just gonna get to building. Whoa, that's cool slide. Boom. So, you know how I said it's a level 2 slide? It's kind of going straight down. Yeah, I don't know how to think about that. You know, this would be a level 10 slide if it was way taller than this. But it's not, and the water's not that deep down. So, you know what? It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be fun. Ready? Woohoo, that was so fun. Now that I've done the second water slide, I'm gonna do the third one now. What are you doing?
Yes,
now I think this is gonna be a very good idea because it's going to be a very big and long.
I low-key think your idea
is just gonna go straight down. What did you just say?
Wait, what are you doing? What are you doing with that rocket launcher?
Get out, bro. Actually, you know what? I'm kind of lazy, so level 3 is going to be the last one. Come on, go! If I change of plans, it's going to be a really fire water slide. For the third and final water slide, which is gonna be built right now.
We won't talk anymore. Well, at least I
Alright,
won't.
so this is the third water slide. It's gonna. Alright, so this is the third. Oh, sorry. This is
What's wrong? Have you never seen a normal
This is
person
the
eat before?
third and
Is that
final.
I actually could see you guys not.
water
Bro, this is the
And it's
first
gonna be
date! What are
pretty
we
good, trust
doing?
Behold, level 3 water slide. So basically, the entire purpose of this is to make you like jump off, and then you go flying. But then, if you're a little scaredy cat, you can go like this. I'm so scared. Woo! Wee, that was fun. Alright, if you
He's
enjoyed this
screaming.
video,
He's
make
just
sure to like and subscribe.
Next.
Bye.
Like and subscribe.
Yeah.
Yo, guys, everyone download my feet pictures.
Wow.